Hello, my name is Okema Bosco. In my hardest time, I found refuge in music, and I started to compose and write songs that reflect my emotions, hopes, and fears. And through that process of creative writings, I found healing, I found hope. I joined the Zenji Caravan band because I wanted to be part of something bigger than just myself. Music has always been a way for me to express my emotions and connect with others. In this band, I found a family of like-minded individuals who share my passion for celebrating our African heritage. It's a beautiful feeling to create something that resonates with people from all walks of life. Thank you.